everyone, welcome to Dee's Cabbage Dolls and Toys. Some of you may know that I have this almost like an obsession for the Cabbage Patch Kids play along with babies. I love the babies. I've had tons of them come through my doll room, and this guy right here, he's been with me for a very long time. I love him. I think everything about this kid is just adorable. I love my boy babies anyways. But up until this point, as you can see, he has not been out of his box ever. So today I was up here cleaning, and I kept looking at him and looking at him, looking at him. I'm like, it is time for you to come out of your box. So he's gonna get rid of his box today, and he's going to, from this point on, he's going to be sitting on a shelf with his shoes on and his binky in his mouth, and yeah, he's today's the day we're taking him out of the box, and I want you guys to share this moment with us. So if you guys want to see that, keep watching.
Dee's Cabbage Dolls and Toys.
Welcome back, you guys. There he is, a cutie patootie. So this is Joseph Winston, and he was born on March 19th, and he's part of the Play Along Baby's First Steps edition. So he comes with a passy, little walking shoes, a little Baby's First book. I guess that's what that is up there in the corner. His shirt is too cute. His box is pretty typical of a play along box, except it says babies on it. And these boxes actually remind me a lot of the original boxes for the Coleco kids. Pretty similar. So yeah, I'm gonna get him out of the box, and we're gonna take a good look at this cutie. I'm so excited because he's been with me for a long time, and he's finally going to be out of his box, and he's going to be sitting on a shelf, so that every day, if I want, I can pick him up and hug him, take his picture, and so it's pretty exciting. It's an exciting day for me and for little Joseph Winston. You're coming out of the box, buddy. Okay, so I'm going to take him out and show you this beautiful baby and everything that he comes with. Look at this cute little guy. He's everything. Oh, he's so cute. Look at his hair. His hair is like this really, really thin yarn. It's so different. It looks wild and crazy. So cute. He's got the brown eyes. My favorite part about his face is, look at the two teeth. So adorable. It's a big open smile with the two front teeth. That's like I want to say like a 6-month, 8-month-old baby with the two front teeth. So adorable. So he has on this Cabbage Patch Kid outfit, CPK, and then it says down here CPK. It feels like a sticker, but it's not. It's probably like an iron-on kind of thing. You know, the iron-on decals. And his head mold on the back, PA12. That's his head mold. I don't know how well you guys can see that. So, for those of you who don't know, that's how you find out what head mold your kid is. You always look at the back. And then, to find out the year and things like that, there's it goes by the signature, the color of the signature on the bum, and sometimes they'll be dated depending on which company made the kids and which edition and things like that. I have videos on that stuff, all that stuff in my library if you want to check any of that out. Of course, he comes with his little hand tag. I love that. I love when they come with the hand tag. And this guy, he came ready to walk. He's got his walking shoes. These came in the box, but I put them on him. Too cute, and they're all big and chunky and clunky. So cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love that his shoes are too big for him. Oh, even his hands. Look how big his hands are. But that's because he wants a big hug. See that? He wants a big hug. He is too cute. And he's got a little diaper on. You feel his little pamper. And they did that too. So for a while, I want to say with like Hasbro and Mattel, they kind of stayed away from putting the Pampers on the kids because they wanted them to be kids. But then with Play Along, I noticed they went back to putting the Pampers on the kids, and I really like that. And especially for him because he's a baby, right? So he's supposed to have a pamper, right? You are too cute. He's just so cute. I'm so excited that he's going to be able to, you know, be hanging out with the other kids. You're going to be hanging out on display, on the shelves. You're going to get to play with your brothers and sisters. So exciting when I unbox one. He's been here in the box for a long time, so it was definitely time. And he comes with a pacifier, but it doesn't, I tried, it doesn't fit. And I don't want to break anything or anything like that. And honestly, he looks cute without it. Look at those little teeth. Love it. So cute. And this is his birth certificate. And all this is pretty standard. Adoption papers, birth certificate. He was born on March 19th. His name is Joseph Winston. I don't think that I could send away at this point because he's probably about a 2006 kid. That was a long time ago. But I never did that anyways. I keep the birth certificates. I just keep everything like in a folder and stuff. That's how I store my stuff. So one more thing. Baby's Book of First. So this is just basically a baby book. Like, you know, I've had baby books for my kids, and you just write in all of their you know, their first moments, like baby's first birthday, baby's first bedtime story, baby's first summer, baby's first steps. And that is today. Today's the first time he put on his walking shoes. So cute. I love Play Along. They are definitely up there with my, they've made some, I say favorites all the time. They made some of the best kids. They really did. I'm just going to say that. And I really, really adore the baby line. I haven't met a Play Along baby that I didn't like. Not yet. Huh? You guys are all my friends. He's too cute. Okay. All right. Jesu's gonna, he's gonna turn in. It's his first night as an official patch member because he's out of the box now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't mind me. I'm really silly. I have to be, right? That's what makes this fun, you know, to be silly, to bring you back to, you know, a simpler state of mind, I guess. I love to be a kid again, and my dolls allow me to do that, and I love it. I have fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. He's this cute little guy. I've been wanting to unbox him for a long time, and I'm glad that I finally did. This was a real fun video to do for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye. Say bye.